Very warm and pleasant morning to respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, as we know that the entire world is suffering from the COVID-19 caused by coronavirus. So let me know you what exactly coronavirus is. It has a crown-like structure. It spreads by coming in contact with the infected person. It originated from the meat market of Wuhan, which is in China. This deadly virus covered most of the parts in China. Everybody in China got scared of this coronavirus. People of other countries who lived in China went back to their countries, but they were already affected by coronavirus. Thus, this disease spread all over the world. It got spread in about 197 countries. Some countries are having the high graph of COVID-19 cases and some countries are having the low graph of COVID-19 cases. The countries having the high graph of COVID-19 cases are in lockdown, same as in India. The Indian government implemented national lockdown from March until May. It's a curse to mankind. Due to this, our country's economy has been declined in these 5 months. Many people like daily wage earners lost their jobs. According to the experts, 10 crore Indians will be pushed into poverty and 12 crore Indians will be jobless. In the case of education, students are not getting the required facilities, so there is a loss in education also. Unemployment is the main issue. But in this worst situation also, some of the real heroes came up to help their country from suffering. Like they donated money, they offered jobs to the unemployed people, and they helped the migrants to go to their home. Also the doctors and police, without caring about their lives, they work 24 hours only for the sake of the citizen. After knowing the adverse effects of COVID-19, some people say that it's a full stop to life. But I feel that coronavirus is a form of shock treatment by the creator to awaken the man's mind. It should not be a full stop, rather it should be a comma for the man to pause, think and reflect. I feel immensely privileged to share my thoughts on the topic of Corona, a curse or a blessing. Now I would like to conclude my speech by wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day. Also I would like to recite a quote. Life is full of ups and downs. The trick is to enjoy the ups and